What's good, YouTube? It's your boy here, Dollar Influencer, and today back at it with another YouTube video. In this video, I will be talking about the turning $0 into $1,000 challenge. And yes, I will be doing that challenge soon. So make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you are the first to be notified when I upload a new video. Now you're probably asking yourself,
Dollar Influencer, why are you in this room?
So I'm in this room because I am thinking of making this room my studio. So this room is really trash right now. This room is trash, guys. Like, look at this. So I'm thinking of renovating this room and making it my YouTube studio. Now you're probably asking yourself,
Yo, Dollar Influencer, we're not seeing any videos lately on your channel. Why is that?
the reason why I'm not consistent, guys, is because yes, I am back at school, and which means I am happy that I'm back at school, but which means that my YouTube, I will have to reduce my upload schedule on YouTube because I have to focus more on my schoolwork. So what would that mean? So that would mean that I will have to upload at least once in a week. If I can and I have time, I can upload twice in a week. So I'm really sorry if the audio is kind of shit right now, but I'm outside, guys, really enjoying the view. So I've got good news, and before I talk about the turning of $1 to $1,000 challenge, I've got good news to tell you. So the first good news is that we just hit a new subscriber milestone on the channel, guys. Couldn't have done it without y'all, so thanks to everyone who subscribed to the channel. So the other thing I have to say is that we got a collaboration. Yeah, we got a collaboration. Well, this turning $0 to $1,000 challenge is going to be in collaboration with Tino Sparks. So Tino Sparks, you probably have seen her on my channel like a few times, but yes, Tino Sparks, she also helps you make money on YouTube. So make sure to check her channel out. So I will explain how we'll be doing the collaboration challenge in a challenge. So that's all for the collaboration, and we might have a brand ambassador coming to the channel this Friday. So she will be talking about, she might be coming to the channel. So if she will be coming, she will be talking about how her experience has been on being a brand ambassador and how it is being a brand ambassador, how we can start, etc. So just like show her some love in the comment section down below, because she's not really, I don't know how to explain, but I think she doesn't see it as a good idea. So show her some love in the comment section down below so that she can see the comments that you guys want to see her on her channel. And maybe if she sees that, then she will come and be on the channel and talk about being a brand ambassador. So that's all for my channel, and that's all I had to say.
Now, Dollar Influencer, how are you going to be making this challenge and collaboration at the same time?
What Tino Sparks and I thought about is that we're going to make this challenge and a challenge against each other. How cool is that? So it's going to be Tino Sparks versus Dollar Influencer, road to $1,000, and the $1,000 which will be accumulating, we are going to give 10% to, actually let's make it 20% to one of our subscribers. So any public subscriber, we are going to be choosing I don't know about Tino Sparks, but I will be choosing a subscriber which I will be giving 20% to, and then we'll see who wins the challenge. So tell me in the comment section down below, guys, do you think this challenge is it a great idea or is it a bad idea? Should we do this challenge, whether or not it's a good idea? So guys, right now I'm in my room, and one of the things that I forgot to say while I was outside is that we are not allowed to use any of our social media platforms in order to get this $1,000. All we can use is the apps, any drop shipping, any print on demand, any of the methods I explained to you on my channel and Tino Sparks channel, any of those methods, but we are not allowed to use our social media platforms. And let's add a twist to this challenge. Tino Sparks, this is a twist to this challenge because I know for a matter of fact that you are going to use M4Jam for this. So let's just add a twist to this, turning $0 into $1,000 in isolation. Yes, this video is inspired by Ray Tryon. He is in fact the person who started this whole challenge. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like and turn on your post notifications. So the upload schedule is going down from 2 uploads per week to 1 upload per week. That is just a matter of me just trying to level my school and YouTube at the same time. But if there are going to be weeks where I will be posting more than once, which will be twice or 3 times, whether if it's a bad week or a really good week where I can make enough videos for you guys. So I really love YouTube, but I have to focus focus on school, guys. I really have to focus on my schoolwork, and because I want to pass, and then once I pass, then I can do YouTube full time. How cool is that? Thanks for the support. Thanks to you subscribers, to the new subscribers. We're getting at least 10 new subscribers per day. That is really cool. So we will be hitting the subscriber milestone, which is required to show you guys how many subscribers we have. So once we reach that milestone, I will definitely show you guys how many subscribers we have. And that is all from me, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like, share this video. I'm out.